Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. From here we have to swipe to the right. And then this list opens up, and at the bottom we find settings and support. We tap on settings and support, and then in this little toggle list we tap on settings and privacy. Here at the top we find your account. We tap on this, then account information, and here at the top we find phone. Here if we tap on this, we can enter our phone number after we have verified our password. Thereby we can incorporate this information into our X account as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.